In this video, I'm going to show you how to buy stocks on Plus500. Now, the first thing you want to do, you want to sign into your account, then you want to go to the top left and search for the stock you want to buy. So I'm going to go, for example, with the classic, I'm going to type in Apple, and I'm going to click on Apple over here. Then it's going to give you an option over here, which is buy or sell. So you want to click either on Apple over here, or just click on the buy button here. Now it's going to open up the buying panel over here on the right, and if you want to sell, the exact same thing can be done by pressing on the sell button. Now currently the markets are closed and only orders are accepted, so I can't actually trade right now, but I can still place an order, which is pretty much the same as if I were to buy the stock. So you have to select the amount of shares. 0.5 is the least you can do. I'm going to do 1 share. You can see the prices over here, and you can then close at the profit and set your numbers, or at loss and set your numbers as well, so that's up to you. And then under advanced here, you can basically place a limit order, or of course a trailing stop in pips. So that's completely up to you. And right now I have to take this buy when radius, which is like a limit order, because of course the markets are closed, but if they were open, I wouldn't have to do that. Now whenever you are ready, you can just click on buy over here, or in my case it says place order, and it's going to say place order if you have this enabled. And then when you click so, you'll be able to see, there we go, I've successfully bought or placed an order to buy that specific stock on Plus500. So that's how easy it is. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.